Okay, so now going over question number 9 over here. It says make sense and persevere. Yes. What percent of the 16 gigabyte hard drive shown is used for photos? Okay, so we're given a little visual here. We have a 16 gigabyte memory card or just memory in your cell phone, and out of those 16 gigs, the user uses 3.632 on just photos. So how many, what percentage of 16 will be the 3.32 that they use for photos? Okay, so we gotta set up our proportion here. First of all, what is my total amount of gigabytes that I'm gonna put here as my 100%? Yes, that will be 16 gigabytes, right? Good. And then once it's done, what percentage of those gigabytes is assigned for photos? Do we know? We don't know, so we put an X right there. So then, yeah, how many gigs of out of those 16 represents photos? We know that, yes, and that's the number that goes here. The number is, yeah, 3.32. So 100% of my memory is 16, and X% of my memory we don't know about is 3.32. Okay, so step 1 completed. Step 2, cross multiply. I take my 100 and my 3.32, and I take my 100 and my 16 here. All right, cross multiply. So I'm gonna start with the X here because that's what my first step here. So X times 16 will be equal to, yes, 16X. Good. And now 100 times 3.32. Use the reverse side of this little sheet to multiply. The answer is, yes, I can just multiply, do long multiplication for multiplying 100 times 3.32. But I know from my elementary class that if I multiply by 100, I move the point twice to the right. So 100 times 3.32 will be just equal to 332. Just like that. Okay, good. Step 2 completed. Now step 3, divide to solve for x. So I have my equation 16 x equals 232. Now, how do I divide? What do I divide by so that the 16 over here cancels? Yes, by itself. 16 here and over here. All right. So let me divide these two numbers now because these are gone. Now x equal to whatever 332 divided by 16 is. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here, and you're gonna be continuing with this division and the answer for this question. You're gonna find a percentage that represents photos on this 16 gigabyte memory. If you have any questions, let me know, please, via the Securely.